Hey, what's going on guys? Eder here with another video, and today I am so excited that my GPC case has finally arrived for my DJI FPV drone. You have no idea how frustrating it's been for me to have to carry around my DJI FPV combo plus the Fly More kit in the retail store box that it came in. Yes, I know, it's kind of weird that I've been transporting it in that case instead of putting it in a backpack or a different case, but the fact of the matter is, I'm a new FPV pilot and I knew that if I misplace a moving part from this DJI FPV, I would lose it forever. And so, I decided to keep it in the retail box up until the day that I received a professional carrying case like this one. And the day has finally arrived, and those frustrating days are finally past me. The best part about this case is that it's able to fit the entire DJI FPV combo plus the Fly More kit, and I've also even been able to fit the DJI FPV ND filters that you can also find in the description below, as well as all 8 propellers. Now, different people will tell you different things about this case, and I've seen some people tell their audience that this case is quite limited actually, but that couldn't be further from the truth. I was able to fit everything in here plus more: the DJI FPV combo, the Fly More kit, ND filters, and extra propellers, all in here. So just before I get into this case, let me show you the exterior design. So the case comes with reinforced latches that you can use to either attach a carrying strap or even lock your case from the outside with a spring lock. The handle is made of softer rubber, and overall this case feels very sturdy and high quality. Now let's take a look at the interior. Water cut to perfection to fit in your entire DJI FPV system and more. Everything slides in very well and has the exact amount of storage that you need. Now I'm using this space to store all 8 propellers because I do not have a motion controller. However, this is not how the case arrived. In fact, the case arrived like this. Because not everyone likes the motion controller, and I am one of them, they introduced the option to actually be able to remove these. The only thing that I was slightly disappointed with was the unremovable fabric on top of here. With all my other cases by Nanook, this upper segment is removable, allowing me to store papers or smaller items that I wouldn't otherwise fit inside the laser cut pieces. So if you have a DJI FPV drone or are thinking of getting one, I strongly suggest getting this case ahead of time because this will most likely take longer to arrive to your house than your drone will. This case has made my life 100 times easier, and now I'm more excited than ever to travel the world and put this bad boy to use. As always, you can find all the gear that I use linked in the description down below. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. It was worth it, right? It was worth it, right?